Welcome to Romero Carnero Countertops, your go-to source for top-quality countertops in the Carolinas. As a small, family-owned and operated business, we take pride in providing personalized service and attention to detail. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your kitchen or a remodeling contractor seeking stone experts, we've got you covered. Getting new countertops is as easy as these 3 steps. First, everything begins with a free estimate. Just call, email, or text us to set up an appointment. After we take measurements of your project, we'll provide you with a total price. Once you choose your stone and the slab is delivered to our shop, we'll schedule your installation date. It's that easy. At Romero Carnero Countertops, we make stone fabrication and installation easy. We work with different budgets and provide special prices for remodeling contractors and interior designers. So why wait? Contact us today to transform your kitchen with beautiful, top-quality countertops. Call, text, or email us today.